Pedal, pedal. Pedal, pedal, buddy. Keep pedaling.
Like your strider where you gotta balance. Close.
Yeah. Just like your strider, but with pedals, okay? So pedal, pedal. Pedal, pedal. Keep pedaling.
Yeah, watch, look forward. No, you won't fall. You'll be able to pedal and stay up.
Pedal, pedal. Pedal, pedal. Look forward. Look straight.
Look forward.
Look straight.
Oh.
Woo! Daddy will catch you. Pedal, pedal. Keep pedaling. Pedal, pedal. Pedal, pedal. Daddy's holding with you. With one hand. Keep going. Keep going. Pedal, pedal. Woo! You almost did it. Good job. Look straight. Look straight.
Alright. This time, dude.
Oh man, Colin would totally be digging it here if he were here at my work right now. A dump truck. They're working on our paving right now. Dump truck's up. What? He'd be totally going crazy right now. I just got off work. I'm heading home, obviously. And we are gonna go have an awesome neighborhood party, a block party. Gonna be people barbecuing all over the place. I'm also going to make a really cool special drink. It has tons of fruit drinks in it and a lot of alcohol. And I'm gonna make it for a ton of people. So I hope everyone will like it. All right, I got home, I changed. It's hot. Well, it's not hot, but I'm hot. The neighborhood party day. Whoa, buddy, is that the slip and slide?
My slip and slide.
I said the slip and slide. Hey, hey, hey! Show me, show me. I want to see it. Woo! Big, huge bounce house. It's a big, huge water slide. Well, my husband just got the music on. My eye was watering so much because it's starting to get smoky out there again. But I'm making the drink. I got the tub here. I got all the mixers. Got the alcohol. I needed to get the vodka. And I'm cutting the vegetables up right. Vegetables. I'm getting the fruit cut right now. And I got strawberries, oranges, and pineapple. And it's gonna be awesome. Awesome drink. Done. I've got to put this on there for the kids to read. Don't drink this, kids. Nope. Don't. Let's do this. I know. I'll get him a towel.
Yeah, go. Let's go down the middle and I'll make sure we go slower, okay? Yep, you are. You're really close. Wave at Mom. Say hi, Mom.
Hi, buddy. Woo! Woo! Good job,
I used my side to slow down a little bit. Oh, buddy. Here, I got you.
Here, I'll go get you a towel, okay? Whoa, tattoo station galore.
I want this one. And I want this one.
Ooh, this is your future tattoo, Bella. Woohoo! strong boy. Yeah. Colin, you got glow stick? Wow, bud. Is that blue?
No, I need a connector, bud.
Oh, there you go.
Hey, buddy, what are we getting ready for? Shaving!
Yeah.
Shaving.
Shirt off with his cool tattoos on. So cute.
Gotta get your face moisturized.
Ooh, getting the stuff on your face. There you go. Is it time to shave?
Uh-huh.
Oh, cool, buddy. You've done so good. Oh. That's a good job, buddy. Good children. Oh, good job. Well, we're on our way to a wedding. My good friend Dominique and my friend Athena. Athena is part of the bridal party, but Dominique and Anthony are getting married. Super exciting. We just dropped off the kids to my parents, and they're watching them for the few hours that we're gone. But I'm super excited to celebrate this day with them. What's up, groom?
What up, gang?
You're
Crip
gonna be on
gang?
YouTube. You wanna be on YouTube?
Blood gang?
Yeah.
Oh, we're on YouTube, not blood gang. No gang, no affiliation. I'm white.
That's awesome.
We're here now. We're here now.
A ring is an unbroken circle with ends that have been joined together, and it represents your union. It is a symbol of infinity and for your infinity love. Infinite love. When you look at these rings on your hands, be reminded of this moment, your commitment, and the love you now feel for each other.
I love you, Rob. Hey, I never do. Yo, I'm glad you passed me.
You have now sealed this pledge with your wedding rings. By my authority invested in me by the great state of Washington, and now pronounce you.
She's the bride. Washington. I now pronounce you.
Husband and wife.
Yeah, you just burped. Woo!
knows
Do you think?
who his wife
These
is.
chairs fold up pretty easy.
He's gonna feel all of these ladies' feet. All of you ladies have to be quiet because he's gonna touch your toes and you gotta hold your breath. I need you to pick him up and take him over there right now.
I'm gonna make Dom feel like
Anthony, put your drink down because you're gonna need both hands to get who your wife is, okay? Do not go anywhere above the ankles, okay? That is just inappropriate. And I don't think it's necessary. Okay? Get down on your knees. Just get
Down on your knees.
Get down, boy.
yeah, touch those
To your right, there are 2 feet, and I want you to touch them. You're getting
higher.
There, yes, okay. There you go. Touch those feet.
You guys know how weird this is.
It is weird. Touch
Alright,
them.
Dom. Actually, I think this is Dom.
No way. Come on, keep going.
No, I think it is.
Go ahead, move on.
It's not Dom.
Go ahead, move on. Let's see. That was number 2, okay? That was number 2. Remember that. This is foot number 3. Out of 6 feet, which foot do you think?
Oh, he picked right. He picked correctly.
Why is Anthony staying so far away with you with that knife?
No, the other one.
Oh, it's dropped just like the relationship.
It's okay. It's yeah. Woo, Dina! Yeah. Oh yeah. He's got a beard on his beard. That's so awesome.
Take the whole cake.
You're sleeping outside tonight, bro. You are sleeping outside after that. Anthony, just give her a kiss.
Give her a kiss.
Give
Give her a kiss. Kiss her. So we're on our way to Nene and Grandpa's house just to let Russ shoot his bow and arrow, because he's coming up on hunting season soon. Super exciting for him.
Yeah, the first time is always tough because usually you will not do as well as you plan to do for the actual rest of the season. It's still fun.
Exciting.
It's a grasshopper.
Whoa, look at that guy. Whoa, he likes you. What's his name?
I think I am gonna call him
Wood? That's a good name. Hey, Wood. Woody and Sissy's new sweater that Nana made for school. Here comes Nana with your wheelbarrow. You want to put Cutie in there?
He's a grasshopper.
Ah! I got him. That was awesome. Yeah, I got it. Well, Russ and Brian are here fixing the swing set after that big windstorm that knocked over the trees.
Finally getting to it.
Ironically,
Okay.
we're doing it in the wind.
Yeah, it's not too windy though.
That's my favorite.
Is that your favorite? Your favorite? Woohoo!
Here I go.
Just a little farther back, mister. Yeah, you gotta sit with your butt as we touch the middle circle.
Woo! Whoa! Whoa! Go Bella! Yeah, Bella! Woo!
Let's see, first shot of the year.
Yeah, let's do this, baby.
Let's see if it's
With the wind and everything.
yeah,
A little windy.
it's a little windy.
Oh gosh, you just dropped one.
That's okay. I can only shoot one at a time.
No, I want you to do 2.
I'm not Robin Hood.
Woo! Okay, let's see this. That's pretty good though. Yeah, it's pretty good. Feel like you're being stalked. Get it, buddy! Ah! She's vicious! She's vicious! You look scary! You look... Alright, can you turn? Come on, buddy! You're going downhill, going super fast.